students and all the listener and visioner. Today the class atom molecules and ions, in which we study about what is the matter. Matter is a substance which is made up of smallest particles, atoms and molecules by their different properties that combine to make a matter. According to Canard, in 1774, he was expressed matter of different kind have the different properties due to made up of different atoms with their different properties and different molecules with their different properties. Hence, matter has also a different properties. Substance which has properties that qualify a matter is made of the tiny particles, atoms, their subatoms, protons, electrons and neutrons, and after combining the atoms that become a molecules. Atoms produces molecules that produces matters due to chemical combination of each atoms, each molecules that produce a matter. This is the series of chemical combination. According to the nature of components as atom, according to the nature of components as molecules, if they have their different properties, then made matter has also a different properties. Here a term rising the chemical combination. Chemical combination, that is a process by which an element or atom become a molecules due to gaining of electrons or donating of electrons or by the sharing of electrons to make a molecules, and molecules by this same process produce the matter. Hence, different atom, different molecules, so the different matter are made due to the chemical combination, and matters has different properties due to the different properties of atom and different properties of molecules. Now, I am going to discuss about what is the law of chemical combination. What is the law of chemical combination? हम इस पर चर्चा करेंगे अब. Chemical combination depends on, for a little moment, carbon has its own 4 VOE, which combined with 4 hydrogen atom, not different, 4 hydrogen atom leading by 1 VOE, then it produce C 4 electrons combining by the H. Here the combination between carbon and hydrogen is due to the sharing of electrons. So methane is made here by the combination, sharing linkage, sharing single bond between carbon and atom and produce duplet of hydrogen and octave of carbon. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के बीच में साझेदारी करके हाइड्रोजन हीलियम की प्रॉपर्टीज को गेन करता है और हीलियम के प्रॉपर्टीज गेन करने वाले एलिमेंट जो होते हैं वह डुप्लेट बॉन्ड बनाता है। ये डुप्लेट बॉन्ड बनाता है, जबकि लिथियम भी डुप्लेट बॉन्ड बनाता है, बेरिलियम भी बनाता है और बोरॉन भी बनाता है। बाकी सभी कार्बन है, नाइट्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन है, फ्लोरीन है, ये सभी, या सोडियम है, मैग्नीशियम है, ये सभी क्रमशः अपने सामने वाले जीरो ग्रुप के एलिमेंट के प्रॉपर्टीज के मुताबिक ऑक्टेव प्राप्त करता है एंड व्हेन एन एलिमेंट गेट देयर ऑक्टेव बिकम इनएक्टिव, नॉट टेक पार्ट इन ए केमिकल रिएक्शन। तो इस तरह से हम इसको मीथेन का नाम देते हैं, मीथेन का नाम देते हैं। तो ये मीथेन है CH4, now come to here C plus H2 that give us CH4 2। तो इसका जो मॉलिक्यूलर मास होता है, सॉरी एटॉमिक मास 12 प्लस 2 गुना 1, इट मीन्स 12 जोड़ 4 16U। हियर CH4 12 प्लस 4 गुना H का मान 1, that is 16। This 16 left and right reactant and product when become equal, then we say the law of chemical combination। लॉ ऑफ केमिकल कम्बिनेशन। अब हम चलते हैं कि ये जो आप फेनोमेना को देखें, इस फेनोमेना पर हम विशेष तरह के लॉ लेके चलते हैं जिसका नाम है द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास। कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास मीन्स, कहने का मतलब है कि अगर 50 ग्राम के किसी वस्तु को यहाँ से अगर हम कहीं बाहर फेंक दें, तो अगर वह वस्तु वहाँ जा कर के 49 किलो का हो जाए, 49 ग्राम का हो जाए, तो डैट डजंट फॉलो दिस लॉ। ये 50 का 50 ही रहेगा until and unless it get rises up and get rises down। ऊपर जाएगा तो ये अपना वेट लॉस करते हुए जा रहा है, और नीचे आएगा तो वेट को, रियल वेट को, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये 50 के बाद 55 हो जाएगा, सो बात नहीं है। ये अपने रियल वेट को गेन करते आता है। तो द लॉ ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन आर 3 टाइप्स। नंबर 1, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास। दूसरा, सेकेंड, the law of constant proportion, the law of constant proportion. Third, the law of multiple proportion, multiple proportion. Law of conservation of mass, it was derived by the Lavoisier in 1774. 1774, and stated that matter can't be created, and cannot be destroyed, because the total mass of products and the total mass of reactants are being equal. So there is no change in mass of chemical reaction. But always exist their masses in every situations. प्रत्येक सिचुएशन में किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन के प्रोडक्ट, प्रतिफल और उसके रिएक्टेंट के मास बराबर होती है, जैसा कि यू हैव सीन इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मीथेन। रिएक्टेंट का मास 16 एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट का मास 16 ही आया, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट मास can't neither be created and nor destroyed by any means, but they, all the substance or matter, adjust their mass in every situations. Here the first law of chemical combination is the law of mass of conservation. At first, CaCO3 calcium carbonate is when heated, it break down into CaO plus CO2 gas. Here this CaCO3 is reactant and these are the products. Molecular mass of the calcium carbonate is Ca plus C plus 3 into O, 3 into O, mass 40 plus 12 plus 3 into 16. The molecular mass of calcium carbonate become 100 U. Here in mass of product 14 plus 16 plus 12 plus 2 into 16, 56 plus 12 plus 32, 56 plus 44, that is 100 U. Both the masses are equal, so we say the mass of a matter can be conserved by any situation, either on heating, either on in presence of catalyst, either by the action of any acid, and other situations are being constant as equal to their products. Next day we have to study about law of constant proportion.